Welcome back to Bike Culture Hub, where we bring you the most in-depth and exciting motorcycle reviews. Today we're diving deep into the 2025 Harley-Davidson Road Glide, a bike that represents the perfect blend of heritage, innovation, and pure touring muscle. If you're a fan of long-haul rides, iconic American styling, and top-tier performance, this machine is built for you. Harley has refined the Road Glide to meet modern expectations without losing its signature character. This is more than just a motorcycle, it's an experience. Let's talk about the heart of the Road Glide first. At the core of this machine is the Milwaukee-Eight 117 engine, a high-performance 1.923 Seek V-twin powerhouse. This engine is a step above its predecessor, offering increased torque and horsepower for a more thrilling ride. Harley-Davidson has fine-tuned the throttle response, ensuring that every twist of the wrist delivers smooth and immediate power. With 92 horsepower and 126 VBs of torque, acceleration is strong and confidence-inspiring, whether you're pulling away from a stoplight or overtaking on the highway. The engine's signature rumble remains intact thanks to a carefully engineered exhaust system that balances deep growls with refined output. The 6-speed cruise drive transmission makes shifting effortless, allowing you to harness the power efficiently. Whether you're cruising at highway speeds or navigating through city streets, the transmission adapts smoothly, ensuring a relaxed yet responsive ride. Fuel efficiency has also been slightly improved, making long-distance touring even more convenient without frequent stops for refueling. The Road Glide is known for its distinctive sharknose fairing, and in 2025, Harley has refined its aerodynamics even further. This frame-mounted fairing is designed to cut through the wind, reducing buffeting and enhancing stability at high speeds. The triple-vent system channels air efficiently, minimizing turbulence and creating a smoother riding experience. This is a significant advantage for long-haul riders who spend hours on the open road. One of the standout features of this bike is its advanced Reflex Defensive Rider Systems (RDRS). This suite of electronic rider aids includes cornering-enhanced ABS, traction control, drag torque slip control, and hill hold assist. These systems work in the background, providing added confidence in various riding conditions without taking away from the raw connection between rider and machine. Whether you're tackling tight curves, wet roads, or sudden stops, the Road Glide offers a level of control that enhances both safety and enjoyment. Comfort is paramount for a touring bike, and the 2025 Road Glide delivers in spades. The seat has been redesigned with premium padding, ensuring better support for long hours in the saddle. The handlebars are positioned at an ideal reach, reducing strain on the shoulders and wrists. Floorboards allow for multiple foot positions, giving riders the flexibility to adjust their stance during extended rides. Passenger comfort is also a priority, with a well-cushioned rear seat and optional backrest upgrades. The suspension setup has been upgraded for 2025, featuring dual bending valve front forks and emulsion rear shocks with easy preload adjustment. This means better handling, smoother ride quality, and improved responsiveness, even when carrying a full load of luggage. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or gliding along the highway, the Road Glide remains composed and stable. Technology plays a significant role in enhancing the overall experience, and Harley-Davidson has equipped the Road Glide with the latest boxed infotainment system. The 6.5-inch touchscreen display is intuitive and easy to navigate, featuring Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, and compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The interface is optimized for gloved hands, ensuring seamless operation while on the move. The premium sound system delivers rich, clear audio, allowing riders to enjoy their favorite tunes even at highway speeds. Storage is another crucial aspect of any touring bike, and the Road Glide excels in this department. The stretched saddlebags offer generous storage capacity, perfect for packing essentials for long trips. These hard-shell bags are lockable and weather-sealed, keeping your belongings secure and dry in all conditions. Optional touring packs and luggage racks further enhance the bike's carrying capability, making it ideal for extended road trips. Customization is a huge part of Harley-Davidson's appeal, and the 2025 Road Glide offers countless options to personalize the ride. From custom paint schemes to performance upgrades like Screamin' Eagle air intakes and exhaust systems, riders can tailor their bike to suit their style and riding preferences. Harley's extensive catalog of accessories includes everything from heated grips to advanced lighting systems, allowing for a truly bespoke motorcycle experience. One of the unique selling points of the Road Glide is its balance between power and practicality. Unlike some touring bikes that feel overly bulky, the Road Glide maintains an approachable feel while offering the robustness needed for long-distance travel. The combination of its Milwaukee-Eight 117 engine, refined chassis, and advanced rider aids creates a machine that is both exhilarating and dependable. Another advantage of the Road Glide is its community appeal. Harley-Davidson riders form a unique brotherhood, and owning a Road Glide places you within an exclusive group of passionate riders who appreciate tradition, performance, and adventure. Whether it's group rides, rallies, or charity events, this bike is a gateway to an entire lifestyle. Now, let's talk about pricing. The base model 25 Road Glide starts at $25,699 for the standard vivid black color. For those looking to add a bit more flair, premium color options like billiard red and midnight crimson come at an additional cost. Custom factory-painted versions and FOVO, custom vehicle operations, models push the price higher, with fully loaded variants reaching upwards of $35,000, depending on added features and accessories. While this may seem like a hefty investment, the Road Glide's durability, performance, and resale value make it a worthwhile purchase for serious riders. For those considering financing options, Harley-Davidson offers flexible plans that make ownership more accessible. Additionally, their service and warranty packages ensure long-term peace of mind, covering essential maintenance and repairs to keep your bike in top shape. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Road Glide is the ultimate blend of tradition and innovation, offering a refined yet powerful ride that caters to touring enthusiasts. Whether you're planning a cross-country journey or just want a reliable daily cruiser with high-end features, this bike delivers on every front. Its aggressive yet elegant styling, comfortable ergonomics, cutting-edge technology, and thrilling performance make it one of the most desirable motorcycles in the market today. If you're thinking about getting your hands on a Road Glide, now is the perfect time to visit your local Harley-Davidson dealership for a test ride. Nothing compares to the feeling of hitting the open road on a machine like this, and once you experience it for yourself, you'll understand why it has such a devoted following. That wraps up our in-depth review of the 2025 Harley-Davidson Road Glide. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest motorcycle reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Road Glide. Would you take it on a cross-country tour? What features stand out the most to you? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Culture Hub, and as always, ride safe and stay adventurous.